Hello students, so these questions are based upon the UPSC question papers. So let's start. The first question is, a microphone converts option A, electrical signals to sound waves, B, sound waves to electrical signals, C, microwaves to sound waves, D, sound waves to microwaves. So a microphone converts sound waves to electrical signal. So option B is a correct answer. And here a loudspeaker converts electrical signals to sound waves. Okay. So second question is, which one of the following metals is most commonly used for making filaments of incandescent electric bulbs? So the common metal used is tungsten. Option D is a correct answer. Third question is, which part of the human ear that converts the pressure variations associated with audible sound waves to electrical signals is? So option A, auditory nerve, B, cochlea, C, eardrum, D, eustachian tube. So here the correct answer is cochlea. So here this one converts pressure variations in air into electrical signals. So here you can see in this figure, see this one is cochlea. So this one converts pressure variations in air into electrical signals, and these signals travel the brain through auditory nerves, and because of this we are able to hear. So this is called cochlea. So this part of the ear converts pressure variations associated with audible sound waves to electrical signals. Option B is a correct answer. Now fourth question is, which of the following is not correct regarding the speed of sound waves? So option A, the speed of sound waves in steel is higher than in water. Option B, the speed of sound waves is in air decreases with increase in temperature. Option C, the speed of sound waves in air increases with increase in temperature. Option D, the speed of sound waves in air is higher than that in air. So here coming to this one, so option A is the correct answer. Why? Because so they asked which is not correct, right? So option A is correct. The speed of sound waves in solid is greater than in liquids. Okay, so option A is correct. The speed of sound waves in steel is higher than in water. Option B is, the speed of sound waves in air decreases with increase in temperature. This is wrong. The speed of sound waves increases with increase in the temperature. Okay, option C is correct. Option B is wrong. Coming to option D, the speed of sound waves in water is highest. Okay, is higher in air. Okay, the speed of sound in air is around 343 meters per second, whereas in water it is 1480 meters per second. Okay, so option B is a wrong answer. It is not correct. So option B will be the answer. Fifth question is, sonar is a device that is used to measure the distance of underwater objects by a ship. So which of the following types of waves does it use for this purpose? So here this full form of sonar is sound navigation and ranging. So this device is used for exploring and mapping the ocean, and it uses ultrasonic waves. Option C is a correct answer. So these ultrasonic waves are longitudinal waves. Longitudinal waves are nothing but which travel along the waves of water. So ultrasonic waves travel along the waves of water. So these are used to measure the distance of underwater objects by a ship. So option C is a correct answer. Now coming to the sixth question, consider the following statements. The Sharavati river creates jog falls. Second statement is, the Brahmani river is formed by the confluence of the Kosi and Sank rivers. Third statement is, the Tamrapani Tamraparni is a river of Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu. So how many of the statements are correct? So here coming to this, first statement is correct. The Sharavati river creates jog falls. Jog falls are also called Gersoppa falls, and here you can see the jog falls. So these are formed by the Sharavati river, and it is located in the Western Ghats in Karnataka. It is the second highest plunge waterfall in India. Okay, so it is located in Western Ghats in Karnataka. So this is about Jog Falls. Now coming to the second statement, the Brahmani river is a major seasonal river in Odisha. Okay, and it is formed by the confluence of Sank and South Koel river, not Kosi river. Okay, so our second statement is wrong. Coming to the third one, Tamraparni, or it is also called Tamirabarani or Porunai river. Okay, this river is a perennial river that originates from Agasyakudam peak in Pothigai Hills in Western Ghats. Okay, it is in Tamil Nadu. So, third statement is also correct. So, 1 and 3 are correct, but it is not there in the answers. So, option D is a correct answer. Now, coming to the seventh question, consider the following statements about Uday Desh Ka Aam Nagarik scheme. So, first statement is it is an innovative scheme to develop the regional aviation market. Second statement is it creates affordability yet economically viable and profitable flight on regional routes. So, which of the following statements are correct? Option A 1, B 2, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. So, here regarding Udan scheme, both these statements are correct. See, under Udan scheme, the central government is trying to get an innovative solutions to develop the regional aviation and market, and it also creates affordability and economically viable and profitable flight on regional routes. So both these statements are correct. So option C is a correct answer. Now coming to the eighth question, the activities or services focused on creation, rearrangement and interpretation of new and existing ideas are referred to as option A quaternary activities, B quinary activities, C tertiary activities and D secondary activities. So before getting knowing the answer, first we have to know what is this quaternary sector. So quaternary sector involves in research and development, practicing specialized knowledge. So this is not at all related to the activities or creation, rearrangement and all. It focuses on research and development. Next is quinary activities. This quinary activities focus on creation, rearrangement and interpretation of new things and new ideas. So option B is a correct answer. Okay. Now coming to the option C, tertiary activities. So these tertiary activities covers activities like transportation, financial and real estate services, business, personal activities, education, health, social work. All these activities comes under the tertiary activities. Okay. Now coming to the secondary activities, option D. This secondary activities covers processing of raw materials like manufacturing, construction, industries. All this comes under secondary services. Okay. So quaternary deals with research and development. Quinary deals with creation and rearrangement of new things, new ideas. And tertiary activities deals with business, real estates, education, health and all. Secondary activities deals with manufacturing like construction, industries, all those things comes under secondary activities. Okay. So under this, the correct answer is option B. Now coming to the ninth question, consider the following statements. Maharashtra state has maximum share of national highways, and second statement is the nature of terrain and the level of economic development is one of the reasons for the maximum share of national highways in Maharashtra. So which of the following statements is correct? Option A 1, B 2, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. So here first statement is correct. Till now, Maharashtra shares the highest share in national highways. It has highest maximum number of highways. And so this, it has maximum share of national highways because it is because of its nature, because of its land and terrain, and the level of economic development is also very high. Very a lot of economic activities takes place in Maharashtra state. So for this reason, maximum share of national highways are present in Maharashtra. So both these statements are correct. So option D is a correct answer. Now coming to the 10th question, which of the following areas was acquired by the British under the Treaty of Diogon in 1803? So here what happened was, this treaty of Diogon is actually the treaty between Barnsley and British. These Barnsleys are one of the most important and powerful Maratha chiefs in Maratha Empire. Okay, between them and British, this treaty and of Diogon was made in 1803, and under this treaty, the British has acquired Cuttack, Balasore, and the area west of Varda River. Okay, so only Cuttack is given. So option A is a correct answer. Now coming to the 11th question, which one of the following is not a power of panchayats under Article 243G? So here 243G talks about powers, authorities, and responsibilities of panchayats upon the preparation of plans for economic development and social justice, and also implementation of schemes related to the subjects listed in 11th schedule. So in 11th schedule it talks about panchayats. So what are the subjects which are listed in 11th schedule? It is agriculture, dairying, animal husbandry, water management, soil conservation, land development. So all these are the subjects which are listed under Article 243G. So land improvement is present, implementation of land reforms is present, land consolidation and soil conservation is also present, but regulation of land revenue is not present. So option D is the correct answer. This is not a power under Article 243G. So option D is the correct answer. So now coming to the 12th question, who among the following is the author of Hastya Yurveda? So this Hastya Yurveda is a treatise, is a book on elephants and a complete science of elephants, and has all the facts about the wild elephants and pet elephants. So the author of this Hastya Yurveda is Palakapya. Okay, option A is a correct answer. Now coming to the 13th question. So to match the following, so these are all Mahamattas and these are the functions. So Anta Mahamatta. Anta Mahamatta is a officer who takes the responsibility of security of the frontier forts. Okay, so option fourth one is the correct answer. He is the in charge of frontier areas. Next is Itijhaka Mahamatta. So these are the officers charged for women welfare. Okay, so option 1 is a correct answer. Now Dhamma Mahamatta. Dhamma Mahamatta are the officers appointed to spread Dhamma. So option 2. Now Nagalaviyo Halaka Mahamatta. So these are the officers associated with city administration. Okay, Anta Mahamatta is in charge of frontiers. Option 4. Itijaka Mahamattas are associated with women welfare. So next is option 1. Dhamma Mahamatta spread Dhamma. Next is 2. And Nagala Viyohalaka Mahamatta deals with association of city administration. So option C 4, 1, 2, 3 is the correct answer. Now coming to the 14th question, which one of the following statements are correct? So the first statement is the earth's crust is brittle in nature. Brittle means breakable. Okay, Second statement is the mean thickness of the oceanic crust is 15 kilometers, whereas that of continental crust is around 30 kilometers. So here first statement is correct, but here the ocean thickness is not 15, it is only 5 kilometers. Okay, so that's why second statement is wrong, but the continental crust thickness is 30 kilometers, it is correct. This is wrong, ocean crust is 5 kilometers only, not 15 kilometers. Okay, so only first statement is correct, so option A is the correct answer. Now coming to the last question, consider the following statements about anticyclones. So first statement is anticyclones are high pressure systems. Second statement is air in the center of the system must be subsiding. Subsiding is nothing but sinking. Okay. Third statement is anticyclones are characterized by converging winds. So let's understand by looking at this figure here. So these are normal cyclones and these are anticyclones. When normal cyclones occur, the normal cyclones create low pressure at the lower part of the area but high pressure here, and the clouds everything will be filled with water. And here when coming to anticyclones, anticyclones are high pressure, create high pressure in these lower areas. Okay, here upon this in cloud, in the atmosphere, all the air which is present will become dry. It will take up all the water vapor present over here and it will transfer. At the center the pressure will be very low, here the center pressure will be very high. Okay, it will diverge, it will diverge at the lower part, but here convergence takes place in cyclones. Okay, and one more difference is in northern hemisphere the anticyclones rotate in clockwise direction, whereas in southern hemisphere this anticyclone will rotate in anti-clockwise direction. That is why it is called anticyclones. Okay, so now let's read it again. So anticyclones are high pressure systems. First statement is correct. Second statement, air in the center of the system must be sinking or subsiding. So second statement is also correct. Anticyclones are characterized by converging winds. No, it is diverging winds. 1 and 2 statements are correct. Okay, so option D, none are 1 and 2 options are not given, so D is the correct answer.